Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviews Heaven, your go-to spot for honest reviews and heavenly picks. Today, we've whipped up something sweet, the top 5 best cake decorating kits that'll turn your kitchen into a pro-level bakery. Whether you're a total beginner or already the cake boss of your block, these kits have everything you need, from spinning turntables and piping tips to scrapers and even recipe guides. We've done the testing so you don't have to. Stick around to see which one's perfect for your next masterpiece. And don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description box below. Let's get decorating. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. RFAQK 64 PC's Cake Decorating Kit. The RFAQK 64-piece cake decorating kit is every beginner baker's dream come true, and probably their kitchen's newest best friend. Packed with all the essentials, this kit includes a 360 degrees turntable, 24 numbered piping tips, spatulas, scrapers, disposable bags, and even a cleaning brush. There's also a handy booklet and video course, because let's face it, we all need a little help when frosting turns into a snowstorm. The turntable spins like a charm, both ways, great for lefties, righties, and even confused decorators who switch hands mid-cake. It's sturdy, non-stick, and won't judge your first wobbly rosette. Choosing piping tips? No guessing games here. The pattern chart shows exactly what each tip does, so you can make flowers, stars, and leaves without accidentally icing a cactus instead. The scrapers, couplers, and recipe guide are just the icing on the, well, you know. Plus, RFAQK promises satisfaction, or you can return it. But trust us, you might just fall in love with your new cake-making superpowers. Number 2. Riccle 124 PC's Cake Decorating Kit. The Riccle piping bags and tips set is here to turn your kitchen into a sweet little bakery, minus the sticky chaos. This 124-piece kit includes 100 super tough disposable piping bags, a reusable silicone bag, 16 shiny tips, scrapers, couplers, and even little ties to keep frosting from escaping like a runaway train. Whether you're a beginner or a baking boss, this kit helps your creativity rise, just like your cakes. The disposable bags are sturdy enough to handle even the chunkiest frosting without bursting. And when you're done, toss it. Easy cleanup means more time to admire your masterpiece. Or lick the spoon, no judgment. With 16 different tips, you can pipe flowers, stars, or whatever weird but beautiful designs your imagination whips up. The scrapers and couplers keep everything smooth and under control, unlike your neighbor's birthday party. So, unleash your inner pastry chef. Because with Riccle, you're not just decorating a cake. You're making people smile and maybe drool a little. Number 3. Kootek 71 PC's Cake Decorating Kit. The Kootek 71-piece cake decorating kit is like having your own little bakery in a box, minus the long lines and grumpy customers. This all-in-one set has everything. A non-slip spinning turntable, 12 icing tips, a mountain of piping bags, spatulas, scrapers, a coupler, and even a video tutorial for those oh moments. The turntable spins so smoothly you might be tempted to play with it even without a cake. It rotates both ways, which is handy for lefties, righties, or just indecisive decorators. With 12 tips and bags galore, you can pipe flowers, leaves, and dots until your cake looks too pretty to eat. But let's be honest, you'll eat it anyway. Switching tips is super easy thanks to the coupler. No frosting explosions here. The spatulas smooth things out like a charm, and the scrapers? They're like magic wands for textures. With Kootek, your cakes will look so good, your friends will wonder if you secretly hired a pastry chef. Number 4. BOYUN 137 PC's Cake Decorating Kit. The BOYUN Cake Decorating Kit is like a party in a box, with frosting as the guest of honor. Packed with 137 pieces, this kit has everything you need to turn plain cakes into jaw-dropping masterpieces. It comes with a smooth-turning cake stand, 63 numbered tips with a handy chart, so you don't accidentally frost a cactus when you mint a rose, scrapers, molds, flower tools, and even a step-by-step guide for us mere mortals. The turntable spins like a dream, clockwise or counterclockwise, perfect for lefties, righties, or whoever's lucky enough to be holding the spatula. Cleanup? A breeze, thanks to its non-stick, dishwasher-safe design. With the numbered tips and pattern chart, you'll know exactly what swirl, petal, or fancy flower you're making. No more playing guess that blob. So grab the BOYUN kit, unleash your inner pastry Picasso, and wow your friends. Just don't blame us when they start expecting a cake at every party you attend. Number 5. RFAQK 200 PC's Cake Decorating Kit. The RFAQK 200-piece cake decorating kit is like the superhero of baking, here to save your cakes from looking sad. With an 11-inch spinning turntable, 48 numbered icing tips, 7 fancy Korean ruffle tips, spatulas, scrapers, leveler, couplers, bags galore, and even a cleaning brush, this kit has more gadgets than a spy movie. The turntable spins both ways, so whether you're left-handed, right-handed, or just spinning for fun, you're covered. And it's non-stick and dishwasher safe, because no one likes scrubbing frosting at midnight. With dozens of tips, you can pipe flowers, swirls, and even skirt designs. No more mystery blobs on your cake. The handy tools help you level, smooth, and move delicate flowers without smashing them. Your guests will thank you. And don't worry if you're clueless. The ebook and 24/7 support will have your back. So grab this kit, channel your inner cake boss, and make desserts so pretty they'll have people saying, "You bought this, right?" And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best cake decorating kits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, all the buying links are in the description box below. Check them out, pick your favorite, and start creating delicious masterpieces today. See you in the next review.